Terroristic threats are very interesting when it comes to the law. All right. You have to have a couple elements to prove to be able to be found guilty for a terroristic threat. Number one, you have to have the intent. And that's actually very difficult to prove. But number two, that intent must be able to terrorize or bring some type of alarm to somebody. Doesn't necessarily mean they have to know that that happened, but there has to be an intent, and they have to either have the intent to terrorize or alarm. If the state can actually prove those two elements, then they can find you guilty of terroristic threats. And that's 3 to 5 years in state prison at least. Terroristic threats, they're not the easiest cases to defend. That doesn't necessarily mean it's impossible. All right. And intent is everything. If you intend something, that doesn't necessarily mean that somebody else can say, oh, they intended to do that. Nobody can read your mind. All right. I'm not a mind reader. The state is not a mind reader. So we're going to use that to our advantage.